Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share how to get started affiliate marketing on YouTube and make your first commission in 10 minutes. My name is Lauren and I've been building affiliate marketing YouTube videos for years now. One of my most recent videos started generating consistent income in just 8 days and so far has made me over $20,000. This is a set it and forget it method. And best of all, I didn't have to pay for any of the traffic. It's all free traffic that YouTube sends my way. So I'm going to share with you in this quick video how to get started and how to earn your first affiliate commission on YouTube. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like a more detailed training on this method, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And I'd be happy to host you in my free training class. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is to choose a product. So think about products, if you're just getting started, that you already have in your home or you're already using on a daily basis. If you choose something that you already know and like, it's so much easier to talk about it. These are some examples that I'll put screenshots of here of products that I've reviewed on some of my channels. Some of these products are even sent to me for free from the company. But a great place to start if you're just starting off is, again, looking around you and either figuring out something in your home that you love to use, or maybe it's an online tool that you love to use in your business and something that'd be easy to share about. Next, you're going to want to find out if that product has an affiliate program. So you can do this by doing a really simple Google search, put the name of the product and affiliate program. Most of the time it'll pull up the web page where you can sign up for that affiliate program, and you can go ahead and get your unique affiliate link that you'll be able to direct people to. Now the next step is going to be making a review of this product. This can be a really simple video of you just sharing your honest thoughts about this product, whatever it is that you're reviewing. A good general outline of a review video would be what the product is, so an introduction of it, its benefits, who it's for, pros and cons of the product, and at the end, finish off your video by your overarching thoughts or your final thoughts about the product and whether or not you think it's worth it or not. After you're done recording this review video, now you're going to post it to YouTube. When you upload your video to YouTube, make sure to put that unique affiliate link towards the top of your description, and you can even include it in a text overlay on your video as well. And that's it. This 10-minute process takes you from figuring out which product you want to promote, finding if it has an affiliate program, making a review of it, and posting it on YouTube. This is a really simple method to get started with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now all you have to do is just sit back and let the commissions roll in. So hopefully this breakdown video was very helpful for you. Again, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing on YouTube and how you can automate your commissions, go ahead and click the description below and join my free class that I'm hosting this week. I'll see you there.